In this video, we will see how we can install the additional files that we have downloaded for the Revit 2023, and after that we are going to locate the same file. So for that, what you have to do is you have to just simply navigate to the file where you have downloaded that, then just simply right click here, simply select that, right click here, and then click on run as administration. After that, it will ask you for the permission, just simply click on yes. So it will start extracting that, and after that it will take some time. So let's wait for this one. So let's simply click on install. After successful installation, let's go back to your Revit and then click on new. So we will use the same template that we have used in the previous video, and this is the template that we have just modified this template. So after that, all you need is just to simply click on OK. Now let's go back to file and then click on options, then click on file location, and from here, as I already told you, that from here you can actually uh, locate your family and template. So let's simply click on places. So you can see that this one is the metric library. You can just simply click on this one, click on three dots. So now you can see now we are getting this UK template that we was unable to get that before. So like that, you can just simply go here, or let me just simply go back. You can see all these things are here. Let's simply double click on English, and now you are getting this English template. So just simply click on that and click on open, and then all you need is just to simply click on OK, and then after that click on OK to check that whether these thing works, whatever we have done is settings are saved or not. So we will just simply go to insert, and from here we will go to load family, and you can see that all the UK template families are loaded here. So now you can see, let's simply show you, you can see here. So like that, you can just simply do the settings for the templates. Let me just simply cancel that. So this is for this video.